Hello YouTube, welcome back to my little video channel. I'm out for a sneaky little ride. Oh, the weather's quite nice. Very windy today though. And also I'm trying out my Wolfgang 420 again, because I think the picture quality is a hell of a lot better. Just getting the right position. And, came down here yesterday, didn't I? Remember, if you watched my video from yesterday. Yeah, the purpose of this video also is to thank everybody for watching my videos. And as I had a nice little comment this morning, congratulations me to me 200 subscribers. I never noticed until he put a comment. Thank you very much. Yeah, I came down this road yesterday. I'm just going to compare the video quality to the 100. I like the 100, but it's just the picture is a bit grainy. But saying that, I have noticed if you watch it on your TV, the picture quality is not bad. But as soon as you upload it to YouTube, the quality is nowhere near as good. Very strange. And yes, I have got it on the highest quality uploading in both of the settings. As you probably gathered on my videos, I don't do editing or anything like that. It's just a raw video. Just what you see is what you get. I really don't know how you actually edit videos. I really ain't got a clue. I know this bit down here is very bad. Oh my god. Yeah. Let's have a look, see what we got here. What we got there? It's like a farm, doesn't it? So I'm just having a look there and see what's actually down here. How do people want to live down here? Mind boggling. Yes, I'll have to look into how to edit videos. I bet you need some kind of special app, I bet. Nice sun trap here. Yeah. I think it was this road I came down yesterday. Sure it was. Yeah, it was. Could stay on that road there. Imagine in there. Imagine if coming around that corner and you didn't know them bumps were there. That's shocking. I can only imagine what would cause or damage of course and to the bike and the rider. I know the back roads, well, I don't think they're very popular, but come on, that is dangerous. Yeah, so just coming actually out again. That's a bit of road actually. Shame it's bumpy as hell. Nice and quiet. Give it that. Not too bad actually. On this little Suzuki. Copes well with the bumps. Really smooth over the bumps, this bike, compared to other bikes I've had in the past. Yeah, I know there was a pothole there. It's a good test any bike this is. Also I want to see what this caravan park is. Where is it? Somewhere up here, isn't it? I think it was. Well, I need to know what it's called. I think one of my work colleagues might live down here. I'm not 100% sure. Where was it? I think it's up here, wasn't it? And I'm a sad man. Any excuse to have a look. Oh, own farm park. Okay. So that caravan site is where I normally park, but it goes all the way down. Oh, cool. Sorry about that, I'm just getting sidetracked here, aren't I? yeah, just a little video is to thank everybody subscribing to my channel. Just like to say thank you. I do appreciate you. Well, I do love this bike. It's a funny little bike, this bike is. Thank you for not pulling out of me. Oh, I do like this bike. I shouldn't really like this bike, but I do. Something about it. When you think about the big sports super bikes. Yeah. I'm just rambling on now, aren't I? Just an excuse to get out, make a video and see what the picture quality's like. I looked a guy another camera, not my one of them 360s, but yeah, very expensive, aren't they? I don't get enough views to justify that, to be honest with you, the cost. I bought one of them, and the microphone, and I stopped this. One thing about this little 250, it's small, but it's got enough to be fun. This is where, when you're following a car, you get all that wind tolerance, don't you? And that's where it affects the sound quality on the GA100. And let's see, right up bus, duck. Anybody else do that? If you ever get a lorry coming the other way, or a bus, or a big vehicle, you nobody duck down like that to avoid the headwind? I do. Done it for years. The wind pressure's unbelievable, isn't it? Like I say, I'm not too sure what the sound quality's like on this one. But I do enjoy this little bike. It's fun. I go down here, yeah, horrible roads, but traffic in Skeggy are terrible. And unfortunately, where I live, I've got to go through Skeggy to get where I live. So we'll come on the back roads again. I know this road, so it's not so bad. I know where all the nasty bumps are, etc. Just have to dodge them. As long as no coming other way, you're fine. Quite a bit of headwind, side wind today though, coming from the field. Like I was saying, this bike's fine, not really affect it. The cows are on the field today. They're not lying down, so it's not going to rain, so the saying says. Oh dear. How many bikes have you had in your time, my fellow riders? What actually bring a smile on your face? Well, this bike, actually does that to me. This gives me such a smile under my helmet. Unbelievable. Such good fun little thing. Anyway, as I always say, ride safe, keep smiling. No girl wants to clean soon. Thanks for watching, cheers, bye for now.